see that? It's minus 25 in Montreal today. But because it's such a popular request, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, an everyday look. But before we do that, I gotta get myself some under eye concealer. As you can see, today I'm in desperate need of makeup. So let's head over to my favorite store, the Hudson's Bay. There's so many different options, but I'm a creature of habit, so I've been wearing MAC. It's a prolonged wear for a while. So I'm gonna go back to MAC. I'm gonna go back to what I'm used
to. Just let it breathe. Beautiful if you ask me, tend to analyze. That's a part of my thoughts that I don't glamorize. Jay-Z and Beyonce got that lemonade. Me and you was a better grade, Minute Maid. I'm from a place where they controlling that reefer, growing the teacher, lyrically colder than Keisha. Good Lord, and y'all ain't half as nice.
Okay, so we're back home, and I wanted to give you guys a very detailed video of all the products that I use. So, okay, so this is what I'm using now to wash my face. It's from Drunk Elephant. So this is what I'm using to wash my face. So I only washed my face at night. In the morning, I just rinsed my face with water. Then I use a toner. Got this from the Hudson's Bay. This is really gentle on my face. So I'm using this right after I wash my face. I put serum that I got from Dermalogica. Then I put my under eye cream from Drunk Elephant again. Whoops. I'm very new at this, guys, so bear with me. This is C-Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Gotta keep hydrated in the winter. And whether it's winter or summer, it's always important to put SPF. So I use the Kiehl's Multi-Action Cream SPF 30. Again, I got this from the Hudson's Bay. It smells really good. And I wear this in the morning. So that's my routine for washing my face. Oh shit. Where did my earring go? Okay, let's try that again. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to the fun part. My earrings are now on my ears. So I don't wear foundation. I don't own foundation. I don't even know what color foundation I would be. The less, the better, I believe. So I do wear under eye concealer because I find that my under eyes I have translucent skin, I have really thin skin, and especially under my eyes you can see like they're a little bit bluish. So I wear MAC Pro Longwear NC 35 for basically all year round. And I use this Tear Jelly blender. I just dab a little bit. A little goes a long way because it's a thick product. And I just bought it, so waiting for it to come out. Oh, here we go. So I'll just put this much on it. And then I'll start by dabbing my under eyes. And what I like about this blender, obviously I put way too much, okay? I'm like getting really excited about showing you guys how I do my makeup. And, okay. So I like blending it with my finger as well because I feel like the heat of your finger applied to the makeup blends it better into your skin. So, under eyes, done. Of course, remember I put my under eye cream to make sure that my skin is nice and hydrated. Next, I go straight to bronzer. Because I don't wear foundation, I like to be a little bit tanned in the summer. I know some people use bronzer to highlight certain areas. I put it all over my face. So I use the Lise Wattier. This is a Montreal brand. It makes me really excited. Havana is the color. I know they have Havana Light and they have Havana Matte. I use the Havana with the sparkles inside. So I use this little brush, but I got it from the Vanity Planet set. So this is the makeup brush set that I use from Vanity Planet, and it comes this part right here. So this is what I use. Okay, so to do my bronzer, I literally use this, and I know some people use different brushes for different parts of your face. I use this for everything. So I dab my brush. I make it kind of like flat, And then I go under here, and that's my version of contouring. Then I go back, and I apply it all over my face using circular motions. I also go down to my neck because you never want to have a face that's dark and then a face here that's a neck that starts being white. So I go all the way down if I'm wearing something low cut like I am today, because I don't have anything else that was white. Boom. Push the eyebrows up. Next, I use blush, and I'm using Mary Kay. This is the Giving Heart. Look how cute this is inside. And it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see. And again, I use the same brush. And I do like a duck face. Like that. Is that duck face? I'm gonna go like that. Okay. Now, for my eyebrows, I use Eyebrow from Benefit. Got this at Sephora. Actually, someone gave this to me from The Bachelor. I forgot who it was, and I'm gonna hate myself for not remembering who gave me this, but I'll remember at the end of this video for sure. So this is a cream gel brow number 2. And it's fun because it has a little brush inside that obviously I've been using way too much, and it's all half broken. So I have thin eyebrows at the end, so I just fill my eyebrows in at the end. And the trick is to get this line here, you lift the middle of your skin of where your nose is, and you just do a straight line underneath. And that, my friends, is how you get an eyebrow. I do the same thing on the other side. Apply here, and then in the middle, lift your skin and go straight under. And do like, you don't wanna, I haven't done my eyebrows in maybe 2 years. I used to thread them a lot, and then I felt like I was losing a lot of eyebrows at the end. So I like the natural look, so I like it looking a little bit messy. That's it for eyebrows. Then I use this brush. You can get really any brush if you buy the same thing like a wand from a mascara. You can use that to just brush your eyebrows up. We're almost done. All I have left to do are my lips and my eyelashes. I love curling my eyelashes. I have stick straight eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're not. And they're very light too. So I use a eyelash curler. This is from Lash Star. And I know it scares a lot of people to do this, but I don't do eyelash extensions because I'm afraid once those start falling off, I'm gonna look bald on my eyelids. So I just do this for a few short seconds. And see the difference? And then I use my favorite mascara from Urban Decay called Perversion. Yeah, okay. And this is Bigger, Blacker, Badder. I think there's only one color for this, but this is the wand. I like that it's thick. And I just want to show you guys the difference in eyelashes. I love doing my bottom lids too. I know some people don't like doing that. My bottom eyelashes, I mean. And I naturally have darker eyelids, so it looks like I'm always wearing eyeshadow, but I'm not. So look at the difference. Mascara, no mascara. Mascara, no mascara. So now I'm gonna do the other eye too, so I look less crazy. I know some people say that they can't put mascara on without opening their mouth, but I will show you I could do it. Challenge accepted. They say not to do this either because it creates air in your mascara. Et voila. I am now obsessed with lining my lips. I know some people like wearing glossy lipstick. I don't like it because my hair keeps getting stuck on my lips. So I discovered from L'Oreal. You guys keep asking me about this. This is what I've been holding back from you. So I'm like, I'll share it in this video. It's from L'Oreal. It's 112 Matte Sturmind. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, so this is the lipstick that I use. Yeah, here we go. And it's creamy. So I like to line my lip and go a little bit over the line. So it gives that nice, luscious, thick lip. And then because it's creamy, all you gotta do is line your lip and then smudge it together. And that's what you get. Then I also sometimes, and if I'm feeling like, ooh, real fancy, I use Too Faced lip injection, and this plumps your lips. I got this at Sephora. And then I just give myself a double take in the mirror. I usually go back and like blend everything with the same brush. But the trick to all of this, one thing I literally can't leave the house without whenever I travel, or if ever I'm even like going to an event, I think it's called Tatcha. Anyway, there's not much liquid left as you can see, but this is my secret to having that dewy, glowy look. Shake it a little bit, and then this is the last step once you're done your makeup. And it smells so good. So it's basically, don't know what products are, what is inside, but it's for normal to dry skin. You missed 2 or 3, you're supposed to spray it only 3 times. And it smells so good. I spray like 5 times. And it gives a boost of hydration and a glow. You can put it under your makeup, they say, but I like just putting it on top of my makeup, and it gives that nice dewy look. And that is how I get my everyday makeup look. Hope you enjoyed.
No, really?
Yeah. Okay, I put way too much. Okay, well, I'm just gonna... I said a little goes a long way. Can someone give me like a Kleenex or something?